In this video, we get pulled over by the cops. Kelland gets work wheels. Stay tuned for the excitement.
What's up, everybody? Today is a kind of exciting day. One of the big things that we're doing today, actually there's a lot planned for today. So I'm gonna jump right in. I'm going to pick up Matt. Again, if you don't know Matt, flash to a couple clips of him.
Oh man. Brown bag over Sabrina's face and fuck the shit out of her.
The big thing about this video is it's definitely gonna involve the old 350Z. So I've had these wheels for a little while though. They're XXR 968s. I put them on Facebook Marketplace for trades, and I got one, and if it's real, I can't believe it. It seems serious, so at like 5 o'clock today we're going to get him. But until then, I have to get my car up on jack stands and get the wheels off so I can load them back here. First plan of action is I gotta meet up with Matt, Queen, pick him up. Gonna go do that. We are getting my wheels off, putting my car all on jack stands, and then going to meet with some guy in Harrisburg, PA that has a pretty bitchin' trade offer for me. That's what we're doing today. I got Matt, so Matt is currently in there grabbing 2 jack stands. I have 2 at the house, he has 2 here, and then I'll be able to put my car on jack stands all around. So today's not going as I had planned. I thought these headphones were worth some money. My first offer was $5, the second offer was get out of my store. So, not a great day, dude. Just a bad day. Matt so far has made $30 off of copper he had sitting around his house and a butter knife.
$10 off a butter knife.
It wasn't even like full silver too.
No,
it was junk.
It was a sham.
We're currently here sitting outside the B&B location of Frederick so that Matt can get more money. We'll be right back. Wow. Jacob, what do you think of that?
Queen is the penis at his best.
My neighbors don't like me too much. Actually, not true. This is my neighbor.
Hey.
The Poober. The Poober is the editing wizard. The wizard.
This way a little more. Alright, straight. That way a little bit. Come. Come. Straight. Alright, go ahead. Yeah, get on the driveway. Back up. Alright, come forward. No, not that far back. Jesus Christ, bub. Stop. Stop. I can tell. He said he hasn't driven manual in a while.
Hey, Matt.
All right, come forward. Turn the wheel that way. Go that way. Slowly. Ooh. Oh, never mind. Oh! Back it up. Back it up. Ladies and gentlemen, if you watched the video 2 days prior where I accidentally let Robert's side skirt gets messed up.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh God. Oh no. Oh no.
Alright, let me drive my car, dude. You're really bugging me. I don't know. That scared the fuck. Oh. I got it up though.
That's what she said.
Oh man.
Alright, all the wheels are loose. Now I just have to figure out how to fix a hydraulic jack.
I think that's fucked.
Do you have a jack at your house, Jacob?
We do.
Really? Could you go get it?
Yeah, it's like a...
Like that?
Yeah. Push it to no. No bueno.
Hey, this is good times right here, huh? Poo behind the camera, Kelland work on cars.
Good times.
Good time. Been a while. Hey, did I ever tell you about the time I let down a car onto my hand?
No.
I was holding on to a jack stand like this and didn't realize. I was just watching the jack, so I let it down right on my thumb. I was like, oh my God.
Are you serious?
Yeah, on my 240. That was the worst pain of my life. I thought I was gonna lose my thumb, dude. I didn't. Oh, you hear how that's getting really easy to do now? Oh, means we're on jack stands. By the way, if you ever had a slammed car, these scissor jacks from Chevys and Hondas, lifesavers. What am I gonna do about this oil spill, dude? This is a lot of oil. I know it wasn't your fault, it was my fault, bro.
What would I do? I would check if there's a cap on it next time.
Well, thank you. I understand that. I don't know where you put the cap, though.
Where you put the cap?
No. Put it on the bottom. Oh, God damn.
Did not put it on the bottom.
That was fucked up. That hurt, dude. That was full on nipple. I don't want to fight anymore. I'm letting you guys know at home, full on my nipple. Like on the little areola too. Like not just like. Wait a second, there's Matt. Here I am. Who's driving?
He made a mark on your driveway.
Jacob does his first burnout. I can smell a little bit. Poop getting loose on the juice, man. And did you bring me my vape, huh? Huh? Did you bring me my vape, huh? Oh, thanks, dude. Bro, thanks for my vape, man. Oh, why did you do that? Matt tore off my Cherokee logo. I intended on rolling fenders today. I'm very upset that I did not get to do this.
Why are you still recording?
Cause I can do what I want, man. I'm a YouTube vlogger, dude.
Off topic.
I'm a vlog king.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, I was speaking of vlog king.
I'll put your keys in there so I can make a quick escape.
Listen, guys, I messed up. I'm working as a janitor around the shop now. The shop. This is our shop. One day, allowed to use it like once a week. If I ask really nicely.
Don't look at my pizza.
That's my pizza.
My pizza.
Whose pizza is it?
You can screw me there. Take your.
Oh wait, what is that for my license plate?
Huh?
Oh, I'm scared.
Take it.
Oh no! Oh man. Oh yeah! Chad is here. Hey, what's up, Chad? Hey, what's up, dude? What's up? Hey, man. Sorry, drug dealer going on. That's such a cool look for you, dude.
Hey, no.
I don't know. Listen, I don't know why he doesn't wear hats out of us. That's a really. Oh.
Look at me, dog.
Put it on backwards. I love that.
Get into the light so I can see it better.
Yeah, Chad. This is
No, you gotta get it right.
one of his personas. Yeah, Steve-O. You guys ever wonder what Matt does?
I don't feel tired, guys. Come on, quick.
How do you feel, bro?
I feel fantastic. Which one would you be though? Mr. Fantastic, cause I'm money like elastic.
Well, different format than usually because I have the clock right there. We're leaving now to go get the actual rims. Very excited. I got mine loaded up. I cannot wait. We're about to get interrupted by Matthew Queen, who's about to hop in the car right now. He had really bad heartburn. Heartburn alert! Ah! We're currently down like murder back roads right now to go meet this guy. Oh, look at that. Oh, great. We will hopefully talk to you guys in a couple minutes.
Hopefully.
New wheels. Yeah, hopefully.
Maybe our YouTube channel will be no longer up and running.
It won't be low society, it'll be dead society. I got the name planned out and everything. Jacob, if you ever find this footage.
Dude, don't sweat it. I mean, I already got the new logo, and I will personally do a burnout on your grave.
We'll talk to you guys in a little bit. You guys see those colors flashing? Oh no, he turned them off!
Hey, got him right in time, man.
Well, we just got pulled over for being in the park too late, but...
You think they're real?
Yeah, they're real. I got work wheels now, so...
Cool.
My car seems to be having troubles.
Well, it's also overheating.
That's matted. We'll be right back. Quick tip, if you don't know how to solve your motor overheating, you just need to pop the air filter off and start it that way with the air filter off. That'll help a lot. That's not on correctly, Matt.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's get to a gas station, then we'll do it.
Yeah, honestly, fuck this. We don't need this.
Yeah, alright. Close the hood and we gotta go. Alright, so the wheels are on now. It doesn't quite look like I wanted them to exactly. They need a lot of space, especially in the rear. But, pretty cool. It's about that time. You don't want to close the video?
How does it go? I don't know how it goes.
I just
what is
wanted
it,
you to say like
Nardwar?
subscribe or
Oh, you ready?
yeah.
Hit that little bell thingy.
No. Oh man. We'll see you guys tomorrow.